What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Zach,
Logan,
Nick.
So today is going to be a fun, interesting day, I guess you could say. We're finally welding in the engine brackets that me and Nick put in last time. Logan,
this is part 4 of mount the engine in the taco.
No, this is like part 6.
Either way, it's gonna happen today, just like we said it's gonna happen every other time we did it.
This time it's legit happening. It's getting welded in. No shits, giggles, poop, nothing. It's getting done.
Well, let's not waste any time. We've got them marked. I'm gonna start tacking them in.
Just gonna weld it. I just want to make double sure. I want it to be my fault that this is not in here right. It'll probably still end up being your fault anyways.
Yeah, we should be good.
Oops.
Oh, I looked at it. That one's not tacked it over there. That happens sometimes. Excuse me. Oh, God.
Says the one that's tacking shit right away without caring if anything.
Okay, I asked multiple times. I told you guys I would just be in charge of just welding it. You guys measure, I weld. I don't read measuring tapes. I can't really read at all.
Yeah, even with them strong ass glasses.
Glasses really aren't that strong.
They need to be stronger. He's practically blind.
He is. In one eye, my brown eye, can't see shit out of it. Hook her up. Buttercup. You want to make that shorter, or everything's fine.
Well, this isn't even.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay, let's pull it out
So I was
with the
asking
mounts
about-
and then clean it, and then...
That's what I was asking. Maybe we should clean it
I
first.
said that first, too. Just know, I said that.
Hold on.
Well, the tacks are there, so we know where they go.
Did that break the tacks too?
Yeah, because we didn't take the bolt out. It's fine. The tacks are there, so we know where it goes. It's fine. Up. These things don't take transmissions.
Well, we're definitely not mechanics here. We can just weld it. I mean, this is quality. That's quality work there. That's a That's mint. That's a Logan original weld.
Set it down. Okay. Let's pull those mounts off real quick.
Hey, just make sure you don't forget to weld the penis on.
The penis is getting put on for
By the time we're done with this project, it's gonna have a bunch of just dicks welded onto all over it. They're like Easter eggs. You know, like how Jeeps do? The rust bucket just has penises everywhere instead of like Jeeps and stuff.
It's just Easter eggs. Okay, so I had a bunch of. I had all those pieces. I don't know what happened to them. What did I do with them? Oh, I remember. Blow out that surge protector. Look, I'm gonna be honest. This is not the right way to do this, but I lost the ground to the plasma. So this is the quickest and cleanest way to do it. Yeah.
Today I ain't doing shit.
Yeah. Good luck. Yeah, you'd be better off trying to grind that, but you're never gonna get it accurate.
You're gonna have to.
So it's gonna tear the hole.
Yeah, it's only gonna waller it as much as it needs to, though.
Yeah.
It won't go past that.
Which it seems like it's already has.
Yeah. Worst case scenario, we make the holes just a little bigger, but yeah.
As of right now, as long as we can get that and the motor sat.
Okay. No, that's I was just bringing that up.
Fuck, dude, I'm a person.
Did it hit the camera? Look how close it came to the camera.
That's gonna be a hell of a shot.
Oh, this is the time when you unplug it, by the way. When it's on the
You're the
floor.
one that put it there.
I didn't put it there, I was underneath.
No, I put it there.
See, it does it. It's a thing.
It's a thing. It happens, I heard about it. Go down on me? Oops.
I just love
I'm definitely not gonna be able to see shit now. I'll have to take like a 20-minute break before I start welding this. I heard if you squint hard enough, you won't need a welding helmet.
it. I love it.
It's our whole ass transmission mount now. Yeah, this is it's just a placeholder. That way it'll keep the transmission lined up where we want it every time we put the motor and trans back in. We don't have to hold it up with a strap. This will hold it in place until we get to the point of building our transmission crossmember.
That's gonna be a whole shindig.
Yeah, we're gonna cut the whole other one out. This one works good for what it is, but it hangs a little low. As you can see, it has taken some hits.
Thanks to your guy.
Hey, it's me, your boy.
It's your boy.
All right. Watch your face. I like y'all's cut job on this. That's it?
It's holding on its own.
Sick.
White.
It's got play too.
So tighten everything up.
I wouldn't even tighten this stuff. I would just keep this loose all the time. I'd yank this off there, yank those bolts out, lift it up. Let's get those welded and finalized. And then go get some tacos and spray paint.
Why tacos and spray paint?
You always got to paint stuff once you welded it in.
Hey,
Huh.
you got no paint here?
Oh, no. I lost my paint privileges too. Why does that U and tube look like a W? Like, they're 100% in. They ain't going nowhere.
Mounts are there.
They may not look, you know.
Need a slight cleanup and paint, but
Yeah, like, it ain't no fucking special car builder shit, but looks way better than that exhaust. They'll look better the second time we do them after they break.
Probably. Knowing your welds.
Bitch assness! When has any of my welds ever broken on you?
Have you seen the rear bumper?
I don't see any broken welds.
Okay. Dang it.
That'll cool it off. Don't forget that spot right there.
Or that spot, even though that's gonna
yeah, I was gonna say we're gonna cut that off.
Oh yeah, that's high temp. That ain't coming off. Now we gotta wait twice as long for that to dry. Really?
Yeah, you might as well.
Alright. Look how nice that looks now. Jesus. Practically came like this from the factory.
Definitely.
This is the moment everybody's been waiting on. The final fitment.
It's not.
Vibe check.
It's not even a final though. Oh, it's okay. I'll just sit there. I'll
Yeah, you got it, man. We're now here for. Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, you do something different, you gotta fucking get up.
All right, Logan, you get underneath. I got here.
What do you mean? I got it here. Okay.
I don't fit underneath though.
All right.
Seconds away, buddy. You excited? It's finally coming. What?
What?
Here it is. Ta-da! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's in there. Oh, so dude. Oh, so dude. You got, yeah?
That's, yeah. Hit him with the stiffness.
Man, this truck's gonna vibrate so crazy.
Nah.
Bro. All right, now we start wiring. I'm kidding.
I wish that was the next step. That'd be a beautiful thing to start. No, I mean, I'm excited about it, but it's still the fact. I'll be most excited about this whole thing when I can physically get in there and push the button stuff. When that day comes,
That's
then you'll
fair.
see me jump for joy. Like Rob Dahm did when he did his all-wheel drive burnout.
All right, guys. It's so hot. It's so hot. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. If you guys liked everything with mounting these mounts, everything, we couldn't have done it without y'all with the money that we got from the t-shirt sales and the merch sales. So keep that up. We have a bunch of new stuff. We have face masks, koozies, new shirts. We have a t-shirt design. Oh, you're not ready for that. You're not ready for that. The new t-shirt design's coming soon. So again, thanks for everything. This video of finally getting the mounts in, welded, everything done, we couldn't have done it without you guys. So,
and on top of that, we couldn't have done it without full function engineering making these badass CNC mounts. I mean, they just worked amazing. Everything sat perfect. Everything's in with no straps, no blocks of wood. Awesome.
Well, I guess since we're all in one video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about the giveaway that we're doing. Whenever we hit 500 subscribers, we're gonna put out a badass celebratory video celebrating all of our subscribers and all the progress that we've made in our project so far. On that video, the only way to enter is to like, subscribe, and obviously comment on that video. We'll pull everybody together that's commented on the video and we'll draw names out of a hat, a random number generator, whichever way we decide to do it. We may put numbers on cats and race them down the alley, I don't know. But either way, you subscribe, you like, and you comment on that 500 subscriber video, and we're gonna pull out for $50, $30, and $15 prizes. It may just be gift cards, it may be prizes lumped together, but we'll make sure that it's your size and the design that you want. Thanks for looking, thanks for watching.
See you later.
Like,
share,
it.
subscribe, everything.
Tell your mom
And
to
you're
quit
like,
calling me.
all right, bye guys.